Do you want to know how you can turn off stories in Signal Messenger? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to how to log in. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Signal app on your phone. After that, click on your profile on the top left hand corner. Then you can click on stories. You can see stories right below chats. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the stories option. You can see turn off stories. If you opt out of stories, you will no longer be able to share or view stories. So if you're really sure you want to turn off the stories, you can do that. So go ahead and tap on turn off and delete, and there will be no stories option. So you can see in the menu there are only message and phone icon and there is no stories icon. So if you want to turn this on again, you can go to your profile, go to stories, click on turn on stories, and you have now turned on the stories. I hope this video about how you can turn off or on the stories in Signal Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.